pollution?
Tanvir sir and all my dear friends. Myself, Faith Chef from grade 6, is going to show you a short PPT on social. Our quiz is divided into two parts. Objective, subjective. The subjective will be of one-word answers. How much days does the Earth takes to revolve around the Sun? A 24 hours, B 344 days, C 356 days, or D
Can I say?
36514
Sir, can I
seconds.
say?
Now answer will be my side. I will ask who will give the answer. If anyone say, I will say, I will say, I will remove them. Sayyid Ahmad.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it took
Okay. I think Amar is muted.
Oh, it's not
yeah. So the answer is 365 days.
56.
Yes,
Ah.
it is.
365 on 4.
Can approach.
Yes, sir.
The second question is, there are how many types of motions of the earth? A3, B2, C6 or D1?
Can approach.
B2.
B2. Yes, this is the correct answer. How much time does the earth takes to rotate one rotation? A 22 hours, B 23 hours, C 21 hours or D 24 hours?
Shiva.
Yes, sir. D 24 hours.
Yes, the
Yeah.
correct answer is D 24 hours. What is the area of India? A 3.15 million square kilometer, B 3.20 million square kilometer, C 3.28 million square kilometer, D 3.26 million square kilometer.
Abdul Rahman.
Sir, C 3.28 million square kilometers.
Yes, the correct answer is C 3.28 million square kilometer. Which of these rivers drain into Bay of Bengal? A Mahanadi, B Godavari, C Krishna or D all of these?
Viraj.
All of these.
Yes, correct answer is all of these. Corals are skeletons of tiny marine of which animals? Are skeletons of tiny marine of which animals? A polyps, B swan, C duck, D fish.
Anand. Anand. Anand.
Anand is muted, I guess.
Anand is
Sir, you are telling Anand or Anas?
Anand.
Sir is muted. Sir, Anand is muted.
Sir is only muted.
Not sir is not muted, you mean.
Sir is not muted. Anand is muted.
There Anand.
Yes, Anand is there. I found him, but he's muted.
Sir, you muted, temporarily muted. I mean, not temporarily, permanently.
Sir, I'm
Thank
waiting
you, sir, for unmuting me. Sir, the answer A, polyps.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, the correct answer is A polyps. Sir, Himalayan mountains are divided into how many ranges? A1, B2, C3,
Sir,
D4.
this question given by Anand. Because he
Anand.
didn't told.
Anand.
You don't even need to search them. You can just go to participants, search that person's name.
Okay, Iman, okay for your...
Anand.
Extra information.
Find information.
Yes, the correct answer is C3.
Correct.
Yeah.
With how many countries does India share its border?
Shiv
A5, B6, C7, D8.
Chandra.
Sir, unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Shiv Chandra. Tell the answer.
Yes, the correct answer is 7 countries.
Because
Thank you.
From what is Sri Lanka separated from India?
Sir, can I answer?
A. Palk
Sir.
state, B. India state, C. Sri Lanka state, or D. None of the above.
I know.
Can I say?
Jiva.
Jiva.
Sir, Arshad already asked this question.
Sir, I never got
Okay.
chance. Please, sir.
Well, obviously.
Correct answer is A. Palk
Sir, ये
state.
one. Yeah.
Sir, is L silent or not?
I mean, this is
Then, what are the dry winds and hot winds called?
Sir, I know.
A.
Sir, I
Hot
know.
and dry winds,
Sir, I know.
B. High temperature winds,
Sir, can I say?
or D. None of the above.
Sir, can I say?
Hashim.
Hashim.
Okay, sir, C. No.
Yes, the correct answer is C.
Thanks.
Correct.
Monsoon is taken from which language word and what does it mean? A. Sanskrit or Chinese, B.
Can I
Can I
Hindi
say?
or
Sir,
Urdu,
Sir, can I
C.
say?
word summer, and
Please?
D. Arabic word mausim.
Brajesh.
Sir.
Brajesh.
Sir, he's trying to unmute him.
Yes, sir.
Already answered.
He's shouting to unmute me.
Sir is asking to unmute again and again.
I have not muted
Again,
anyone.
unmute.
Lukman, if you want, then raise your hand.
Sir, just
In Zoom, not with your own hand. Not with your own hand.
They permanently mute.
Sir, D. Arabic Mausim.
Very good.
Okay.
Mausim, not
Correct answer is
mausim.
D. Arabic word mausim.
Not the mouse.
Sometimes people live here for longer spells of time. Which sites are this called?
Arshad.
Can I say?
A. Habitation
Habitation
sites,
cum factory
B.
sites.
Factory sites, C. Habitation cum factory sites, D. Leaves of people sites.
Yeah, sir said Arshad.
Can I say?
Arshad.
Already told. Correct, Arshad.
He's
He
done.
said C. C, he
Yes,
said.
the correct answer is C. Habitation cum factory sites.
Answer.
Question number 13. What
Don't
does the
put
word
these
paleo and
connotations.
lithos mean? From which the word Paleolithic comes?
Lukman.
Sir, I know that.
Sir, I know.
Man,
Old stone.
Yes, the correct answer is A. Old stone.
Pallium means old.
14. The painting below is from a cave. From which country?
Second is the answer.
A. China, B. France, C. India, or D. England?
Abdul Rahman.
sir, France.
Correct.
Wonderful. This is the correct answer.
Thank you.
This is
Finally, he also told wonderful.
Aman, please be quiet. Concentration on the quiz.
Most of the Chanakya's idea.
Can I see this answer?
Sir, can I say?
Can I say?
Sir, I want to yes, Prajesh. But only one chance.
Arthashastra.
Yes, the correct answer is
Arthashastra is the correct answer.
mute everyone again.
The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the A. Panchayat president, B. secretary, C. councillors, or D. none of
Sir,
these.
can I say?
Shiv Chandra.
Can I say? Sir, please, can I say?
Shiv Chandra.
Sir, can I say?
Brajesh. Tell.
Sir, B. Secretary.
No, this is the wrong answer. Correct answer is A. Panchayat president. Question number 17. What is the full form of BPL?
Can I say?
Arshad.
Sir, can I say?
Below poverty line. Below poverty
Yes,
line.
the correct answer is below the poverty line.
Below the poverty line.
The 18th question is, how many levels are there in the panchayat? A, 2, B, 4, C, 5, or D, none of these?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I say?
I want to say.
Yes, sir.
Asad.
Sir, I want to say.
Asad. Then Hashim.
Sir, 2.
No, this is the wrong answer.
Sir, can I say Jiva?
Sir, can I say?
Jiva. Jiva.
4. B, 4.
Bruh.
No, this is the wrong answer.
This I know. Let's see the answer.
2.
You are
This is the wrong
None
answer.
of
The correct answer is D, none of these.
Three levels, sir.
Question number 19. What is the other name of Janpat Panchayat?
Abdul Rahman.
The correct answer is block,
Why are you unmuting?
block Samiti.
Yes. Panchayat Samiti or Block Samiti. Question number 20. The city of Surat had a flag in which year?
Correct answer.
A 1995, B 1996, C 1994 or D 1999?
What can I say?
Arshad.
Sir, C is the answer. 1994.
Yes, the correct answer is C 1994. Question number 21. Which is the second cleanest city in India?
Sir,
Viraj Gandhi.
can I say?
Viraj Gandhi.
The cleanest city in India is Surat.
Yes.
Second cleanest.
Surat. Thank you and have a nice day.
I like this. Change color like.
Now
Next two section.
I had finished before the class ended.
say something about him, Mr. Arshad and Mr. Jana Feroz.
Okay, sir. Sir, so first who should say I or the Arshad?
Both say
You
together.
tell first.
Okay, sir. Sir, I like this head quiz. It was very nice. Very important questions were included in it, which may come in the exam. And sir, this system which you put in our classes, this is a very nice system. We can also revise all our chapters. Thank you, sir.
Arshad.
Yes, sir. There were nice questions, very nice, and sir, very important for exam. Revise.
And Abdul Rahman.
So can I say one thing? Everybody is coming there what they did first from first. Like
Oh,
very
much
important.
Much good.
Comment.
It was great. Head one was great. I liked it.
Dude, because of you only.
And
Thank you. Thank you.
the hard ones, he kept a different font, which had a special
Shiv
effect.
Chandra. Shiv Chandra, tell something.
Yes, sir. It was nice, but no give me chance for tell that. But it was not
That is not my problem.
You muted yourself. You mute yourself.
Yeah, I'm saying
If I was the host, I will give you 0.5 questions to answer.
You muted yourself.
it was nice presentation.
Sunday
Nice
you will get.
questions also.
Sunday you will get the
Yes.
chance. No problem.
Sir, Sunday I will ask questions. Monday.
Okay,
I mean,
thank you.
Monday.
Viraj will.
Sir, can I say? Sir, can I do Monday?
Monday only Viraj will do, and Sunday and Monday. Sunday Viraj will do, and Monday Amar.
Sir, can I say what hit? Sir,
Yeah.
I will do orally
Yeah.
because my laptop is Kharban. I'll do orally.
Say now.